Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to block orders based on specific city in Shopify. Using the city condition, you can easily achieve that, and we'll show you how in this video. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the city condition. So first, we'll search for City in the search bar and select it. Click Select Essential To combination to continue. Here for this example, we choose If Found and enter the city name we want. Here we add one name called New York. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Now we will add a proper error message for the customers like, "Sorry you can't order. We do not currently accept orders from New York City." After that, click the Save button to apply your rule. This means that if a customer orders from New York City, then the order will be blocked. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order, and the order completion is fully blocked. This happens because the order is from New York. Customers will still be able to click the Pay button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Now let's change the city and take a look. As you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!